How to unprivate your TikTok account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To unprivate your TikTok account, first and foremost, launch a TikTok application in your mobile device. Now over here, firstly you need to go ahead and click on your profile icon at the bottom. From here, head over and click on this three horizontal line. Head over to Settings and Privacy. From here, you need to check out the Privacy option. Over here, if you have made your TikTok account private, the toggle button will be onto the right-hand side. This indicates that your account is currently private. If you wish to unprivate your TikTok account, simply toggle it off and tap on Switch Account. By this way, you have made your TikTok account public. So this is how you make your TikTok account from private to public. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.